Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are expecting a winter storm this weekend. It's supposed to start later today. I was just outside. It's doing a little bit of like drizzling right now, but not too much. So yeah, it's not doing anything yet. So we will see what happens. I'm partly starting this vlog just to document like what happens. Hold on, I need to change my battery. Yeah, anyway, I'm partly starting this to document what happens and see how much we actually get. The weather alert. Check out my new phone case. Isn't that so cute? My mom got that for me for Christmas. Okay, so the weather alert, like the winter storm warning, says the conditions are expected to last until Monday. It is Saturday morning. Says that we could get 8 to 12 inches. But if you look, you know, like on the Apple map, if you go and you like click on the day, if I click on the day, it says 19 to 23 inches. I don't think I've ever seen 2 feet of snow in Kansas. Maybe in my life. So I would just, I don't even know like what I would do. Yeah, I just think that would be like absolutely insane. So apparently the snow is supposed to start in the next hour. So I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated, but I just hope like the power doesn't go out because I do have a fireplace and I did get wood for it. But yeah, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, what I'm up to today, I think I'm gonna take down my Christmas decorations, or at least anything that's like super Christmassy. And I don't know, maybe I won't. I don't know. I don't really want to take my stuff down. I just love like my Christmas decorations, but I don't know, we'll see. I may or may not. Also, this might be crazy, but I'm super excited for all the snow. I have everything I need in my house. My dogs are good. We're gonna be fine. I cannot wait to see how much snow we get. I don't know, I'm probably the only one out there who's excited about this. Oh, also, supposedly Jim Cantori from the Weather Channel was in the area. I don't know, there's debate if he was in Topeka or Kansas City, I don't know, but I would like freaking love to meet him. He is a weather icon. Like, I remember back in grade school, if there were like snow, like possibilities or storms, and like he would be the one we'd watch on the Weather Channel. So it's just like, I don't know, so cool. Okay, 3:30 p.m. weather update. There's a nice little sheet of ice that is starting to form. I don't know if you can see it on my, what is this? Sunroom windows. But yeah, it's slippery. The dogs were slip sliding around on the deck. So supposedly the snow is coming. We will see. So I took down most of the stuff around the mantle, most of the Christmas stuff. I did leave the tree just because it gives some, you know, coziness to the room. And I left the garland up too. So pillows are almost back to normal. But yeah, all my Christmas stuff is put away. Still no snow. So I will keep you posted. It's supposed to be starting. It's 4:30. It's supposed to start around 5. We're about to go to bed and read. It is 9:30. This is the final check-in for the day. No snow yet, just ice. Turn off the light. You guys, look at this. I hope you guys can see that. It is like death a blizzard out there. Also, being the parent of a dog who does not like the snow, this sucks. I love the snow. I think it looks so pretty. I don't like going out in it, and I don't like forcing my dog. Stella's the one that doesn't like snow. Lily doesn't care. She'll run around all over. But I hate forcing her to go out. I feel so mean. By the way, so far I would estimate we've gotten about 6 inches of snow, and it's supposed to snow all day. I thought I'd give you guys an update. Still snowing. By the way, it is 2:30 p.m. I just filmed another video, and Lily and I are going to park ourselves on the couch, edit that video, get this one started, and watch the 49ers in an hour. Yay. Okay guys, final update. Snow has stopped. We have gotten about a foot. Let me show you what is in the backyard. You can see the snow there. So yeah, it's still kind of blowing around. It's not really actually snowing, I don't think. There's a large drift, but yeah, pretty crazy. Anywho, I think that's gonna do it for this vlog. Let me show you one more thing before I go. Okay, this is the other side of my backyard. That bush is pretty much covered. And then these drifts are crazy. Okay, now that's really it. Lily and I are gonna hang out in front of the fire for the rest of the night. And I'll see you guys in the next one.